Hello everyone, Hamel here. First, a quick disclaimer. Just covering a stock as a request. I do not own a position. I currently do not have a plan of owning a position, but after reviewing this, looks pretty interesting. So the symbol is HIMX. It is a Taiwan-based company here, so it has run up significantly, 61% in a very short time. In 4 weeks, actually, it has been up 52% from this consolidation pattern, which is a strong power move on a large volume, on a significantly higher than average volume here. So just looking at the left side fundamentals very quick. So significant earnings per share growth from 19 to 20. It's going to slow down next year to 52% because this was significantly higher than that. Sales have been increasing. Margin has been getting better. So things are looking better for this company here. Let's look at what company does. It's pretty interesting. When I started visiting company website just to figure out, to have a little idea what I'm really, whether it's a technical, if I'm trading just technically, I normally don't spend time, but since this is a request, I had no idea what this was about. So they do a lot of this displays. So, we all seen these displays in nice offices and stuff. They have products, AI, and then we have seen those glasses. So they are doing a lot of AI stuff. And then also home automation, smart home. And then they have this lenses, touch panel. We all know how important that is with everything going on. And some enhanced functionalities there. The sensors for cameras and stuff like that. And then we can see some more information here, and then intelligent sensing. So that will be terrific if we can have a TV, which we can see in 3D, right? So that'll be amazing. So obviously I'll definitely be one buying a big screen TV if that will be efficient enough and it can project like it will in cinemas or movie theaters where it's hard to go nowadays. So just wanted to go over the information a little bit because I had no idea what this company was doing before I was asked a question on this. So looking at the weekly chart, as we can see, strong breakout here as we saw on that. So now let's look at the daily chart. So this is super extended right now. Let me make sure I can get this on this way here. Okay, so this is super extended right now. So revenue growth for 2021 is 13% for the year. So as we can see, it was not growing and now it's growing. Margin is improving. Earnings per share is improving. So it's moving in the right direction. And I'm not sure why it went up so quickly, but that could be part of the reason. But this was a perfect buy point here. Okay, or at least on breakout from here. So, we could have added here, but then you can say you could have added here, here, but it didn't really make any progress. So the better point would be to add here, going back in hindsight, and then enjoy the ride. So at this point, it has to either break through to a new high about this resistance line here. I think the better buy point would be for it to continue to consolidate and then let the 50-day moving average catch up here. Let the price trickle down on a lower than average volume, and then at some point in future it can tighten up here and then set up, and then we can see if we can break out again to the upside because it is going to continue to grow. At least that's the estimates. And then we all know there is an increase in demand for the AI tools and everything I just went through quickly. So that's how I would review this if I was interested. If it breaks through here on volume, there'll be one option for a quick trade. It probably may not go too high since it's already super extended. It went up, let's see here, 100% in 30 days. I think that's a little good gain, I would say. So that's all I have. If you're considering this, then that's how I would do it. That's how I would probably take a position. Okay, take care.